Imagine this. A peaceful morning, just sipping coffee. What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning for 5 seconds? Your first thought. That's nothing! SFX screech! Then physics arrives. Your coffee, you, your table, house, even trees, all launched sideways. Yeah, way bigger problems than spilled coffee. Here's why. Earth is constantly spinning. At the equator, the surface moves at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's insane. You don't notice because you, the ground, buildings, and atmosphere move together. Think of sitting inside a smoothly moving airplane. Everything feels normal, until that plane instantly stops. SFX. Whoosh! Thud! Suddenly, your forward momentum is very, very real. Now, imagine that globally. Earth's solid surface suddenly stops, but you don't. Neither does the ocean, neither does the atmosphere, neither does basically anything on the surface. That, my friends, is bad. Very bad. Earth stops, everything else keeps going. Near the equator, anything not firmly attached could keep moving at hundreds of meters per second. That's faster than many passenger jets. You'd be flying past an airliner screaming, "Sir, this is restricted airspace." And they'd reply, "I don't control this." Cars, trees, people, loose objects, parts of buildings, all become participants in the world's worst physics experiment. But wait, there's more! The air was spinning too. If the ground stopped but the atmosphere kept moving, enormous, hurricane-force winds would sweep across the surface. Winds so powerful, they'd rip houses from foundations. You'd be clinging horizontally to a lamppost as your house flies past, followed by a cow, and then another stickman with an umbrella shouting, "I think it's a little windy!" And then come the oceans. They also have immense momentum, so huge masses of water would continue rushing eastward, creating tsunamis on a scale you can barely imagine. Picture a giant wall of water approaching your coastal stick city. You look at it, then the camera, then bravely put on tiny floaties declaring, "Prepared!" Spoiler alert, you are not prepared. The good news? Destruction wouldn't be identical everywhere. Rotational speed is highest at the equator and smaller toward the poles. So, while our equator stickman flies through the air at jet speeds, our polar stickman might just barely slide holding his hot chocolate asking, "So, you guys good?" The answer? No, they are not good. And then, after 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Earth starts spinning again. Oh, thank SFX. Vroom! The ground suddenly moves beneath you, launching you in yet another direction, because Earth decided one disaster wasn't enough. You experience the terrifying process in reverse. But could Earth actually do this? Scientist Stickman enters. Technically, no. No known natural mechanism could stop the entire planet instantaneously and restart it. Earth has absurd rotational energy and angular momentum. So, this scenario requires a giant, imaginary physics button. Scientist points. Please stop pressing that. Regular stickman slowly reaches toward E. Button again. Oh no. So, if Earth stopped spinning for only 5 seconds, the 5 seconds wouldn't be the scary part. It would be everything that was still moving, while the ground suddenly wasn't. The extreme winds, flying debris, giant waves, stickmen soaring through the sky, and Earth restarting to launch them again. Our original stickman finally lands. His coffee cup lands perfectly beside him. He picks it up, takes a sip. Still warm. SFX boom. A meteor-like car falls from the sky behind him. Science. So, what should Earth do next? Should it A. Stop orbiting the sun, B. Double its gravity, or C. Spin twice as fast?